Hey there at MB. My name is Don Cunningham, and in this video, I want to show you three things that you can do today to bring more customers to your business through your website. I do this because I know that many times business owners are too busy running their business to explore all the ways and all the tools that have to them to help them. I have found that by giving out some free information on things that it can do to help them run their business, help them navigate the internet, many times they give them somebody they can turn to if they need help. Okay, so the three things I wanted to talk about is content, citations, and backlinks. The first thing is the content, which is your home page. When you say content, even though you have content, you have picture content and word content, Google uses the words to optimize your website. And it's been found that uh, for Google to fully optimize your website, you should have a minimum of about 1,500 words on your home page. But also included in the number of words, you want to have keywords that are going to be used in searches that are going to cause your site to be found. You do have 1,697 word content on your home page. So as far as the word content, you are in good standing. Okay, now this is the website of one of your top competitors. Now this website did show up on the first page of Google search. And there are 1,874 words on the content on their home page. Okay, now let's talk about the keywords. Now this is a tool that I use called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool, but it still gives me the background detail on what Google looks at when it is ranking a website and optimizing a website. And as we talk about keywords, you see this site is being found for 9 keywords. And also they have 386 backlinks. Now backlink is when one site links to another site online. And it's like it's called link juice. It's giving more authority to the site being linked to. It's like giving a recommendation to that site from other relevant sites. So we can look and see exactly what keywords they're being found for, and we could use those same keywords in your content. And the same with the backlinks. We could find out what sites are linking back to their site and get those same sites to link back to your site. And then in addition to that, we get even more sites linking back to your site, which gives you more authority, your site more authority. Okay, I ran your site at Ahrefs, and these are the result. This is the result. You're only being found for one keyword, and then you have only 163 backlinks linking back to your site. And as I said before, we can include your competitors' keywords in your content, which would boost your keyword count, and then we could get more backlinks. Same backlinks linking back to your site, and even more. Okay, now the third thing I wanted to talk about is citations. A citation is your name, address, and phone number. Um, so this is your competitor here, and if we look on their profile, you see their name up here, and then you scroll down and you see their address and phone number. Then this is their citation, which the name, address, and phone number, which is also known as a NAP. And the important thing about the map is you want to have it listed in online directories. Okay, these are some of the top directories that your NAV could be listed in. In addition to these, there are a couple of hundred other directories. So the thing is, you want to have your NAV listed in more directories than your competitor, which gives you more relevance when Google is optimizing websites. Now, what could be, now there's this site called Bright Local, and on that site, we could see exactly what directories your competitor's map is listed in. And then we could match that view and then also get your map listed in even more directories, which is going to result in you having more relevance than your competitor. Okay, well, that's it in a nutshell. Again, we went over content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 words of content on your home page, but you also want to include keywords that are going to cause your site to be found in a Google search. And we can use the same keywords that your competitor is using to boost your ranking. We talked about backlinks. You can get the same backlinks making it back to your site and your competitor. And then in addition to that, we can get even more backlinks making back to your site, which is going to give your site more authority. And then we talked about citations. You want to get your citation listed in more directories than your competitor, which is going to again give you more relevance. So if you do all these three things, it should help you to beat out your competition. So I hope this has been informative for you, and like what I've showed you, you can, like I said before, you can take this information and use it yourself. Or if you want a quicker, more effective route, you can give me a call at 714-473-0269. Again, my name is Don Cunningham, 714-473-0269. Thank you for watching the video, and you have a great day.